First, open the GitHub repository for T-Connect Pro MicroPython. Click on Code to download the repository. There are two ways to download. One is to use Git, and the other is to download the compressed zip file directly. Here, we choose to download the compressed zip file directly. After the download is complete, you will receive a compressed zip file. Extracting the compressed file will provide you with the example code. Open the example code with VS Code. Open the VS Code Extensions panel and search for RT Thread MicroPython. Click to install. Just wait for the installation to succeed and then restart VS Code. You can connect to the device here in the bottom left corner. Before downloading the firmware, you need to download ESP tools via the Python terminal. Open the README file in the code folder. Enter pip install ESP tool in the terminal. Wait for the download to complete. The download is complete here. Then enter Python ESP tool, chip ESP32S3, port comms erase _flash. Note that conx represents the port number to which the device is connected. Wait a moment and the device's flash will be erased. Here, you need to find the specific location of the firmware on your computer and the port number. Locate the bin file in the firmware folder and open the file's address. Replace the path before firmware and add a bin at the end. Copy this command and enter it in the terminal. The firmware is successfully downloaded to the device. Open VS Code and find the test example code. Click to connect to the device in the bottom left corner. Select the corresponding port of the device. It shows that the connection is successful here. Select the test example, right-click and select Run the MicroPython file directly on the device. Wait a moment, and you will see the code running successfully on the device. The method just now only allows the device to run the code when connected. To make the device run the code after restarting, you need to download the code to the device. First, you need to reconnect the device in the previously connected state. Disconnect first here. It shows that the connection has been disconnected here. Then click to reconnect using the same method as before. The device is reconnected here. Rename the example code file to main.py. Then right-click the file and select Download the file folder to the device. Wait a moment, and the file will be downloaded to the device. After successfully setting up and downloading the code, the device will display the interface of the example code, which shows some device test content here.